Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by powering the unit and confirming basic readiness. First, charge the device to at least 50% and install any SIM, SD, or USB accessories needed by your model. Then press and hold the power button until the LED flashes and you hear the boot beep. Once done, make sure the display shows the home screen and Bluetooth or Wi-Fi icon if needed. This gives you a stable starting point for pairing and configuration. Now configure connectivity and scanning parameters so data flows correctly. You'll pair the scanner to your phone or terminal via Bluetooth or connect to your network with Wi-Fi. Once paired, choose a scan mode, continuous for bulk, trigger for manual, or auto for hands-free, and enable only the barcode symbologies you need to reduce misreads. Once done, calibrate aim and sensitivity by scanning a test set. Make sure data mapping matches your host, app's expected fields to avoid mismatches. Finish by validating real-world performance and preparing for edge cases. You'll run at least 10 test scans across typical distances and angles, then confirm each record arrives correctly in your host application. Tweak prefixes, suffixes, or field mapping if needed. Once done, label the device and train users on the trigger and maintenance. If scans fail, restart the scanner, recheck symbology settings, and update firmware if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.